following here shows you how to operate this machine. Firstly, need to connecting well. This is for the power. This is for the power. And then have the, as I told you, for our machine must need to the certain seed watered in the machine so that can cut down the machine temperature. It is the water in, water out, and the water in and the water out. Everything must be connected well. Just like, and this is the power. Okay, so now can show to you the machine. This is the connecting this open and then start it. Like so the machine can running now. Must can. This is the power adjustment. Firstly, need to change it to the small power, and then slowly small power maybe need to the 20 minutes, and then turn the bigger, and then the machine. And this is the furnace body. Like this. Now the machine is already running now. This is have the protection system. Once the machine have the water foul or the short frequency and the price fall, everything will tell us this is for the problem, so that we can handle just like this. And then 这个是干嘛的？ frequency, this is for the frequency. 那这个就能看到是吧？
对，按这个就可以看到频率。
Put on this, and then this is show to the frequency. 电源也是可以的是吧？
对对对。
Or everything can show to you. Like this. And the power, this is for the power. Everything can show to you. So this is not difficult to handle. It is so easy a job. And once confirm the machine, we will contacting well and then make sure everything is to you. And then just like this, this is one step of it. And then the melting furnace body have not finished. So maybe need to Friday or after, then we'll finish. This is the 这是多少公斤的
77瓦3。
这个是多少公斤？45。This is the 45 kilogram, and this is the 100 kilogram melting furnace body. Everything is just like this. This is shown to you. So the machine is not difficult to handle, and I also will send to you the operation.